Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to get my right hand done after that palaver of the April Fool's nails. So I'm going to use this Born Pretty nail tips and glue set. I have done a video on this, so I'll just quickly show you what it comes with. You get your little mini lamp, you get your 6-in-1 nail glue. I tested all 6 of them out. I'll leave the video at the end. It comes with your extra long full cover coffin. It comes with long full cover coffin, loads of tips. It comes with your XXL free edge square tips. And then it comes with your long coffin free edge tips. Free edge, I mean glue on kind of thing. And then these are glue on free edge tips. They're like a tapered square. It comes with 2 packs of each of them. Really cute, dinky little kit this. And it really impressed me. So I'm using long coffin, my favourite shape. So yeah, I'm using my left hand today as well, guys. So, so I want to leave these on. So I'm etching the inside of the tips. Get rid of all that shiny surface. I really pretty much prepped my nails. So I'm just buffing off the shiny surface. I've already pushed my cuticles back. I've got rid of all the dead skin. So now I'm just going to use a dehydrator and a primer, and then we can get started. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of Born Pretty base coat, just a nice thin even coat, and I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So as I'm using my left hand, it's not going to be nothing fancy, but yeah, I wanted some nails on. So I'm just using the 6-in-1 nail glue. I always put just a little, just a nice, not thin, but just a nice strip up the middle of my nail and a little bit inside the tip like that. And then I start by pressing it on. I turn my lamp on so that's nice and ready. I press it on at the cuticle area and you'll see I just push that glue up the nail. And when I see the glue has completely covered my nail and there's no air bubbles, I'll just stick it under that little lamp like that. Voila. Easy. So that is that one on. So I'm just going to quickly show you another and then we can go straight into the design. So that's that one done as well. I'm going to do the rest off camera and then I'm going to give them a full 30 seconds cure in my big lamp. So that's them all on. I'm just going to trim them down a little bit shorter now and then I'm just going to file around the cuticle area. Just sometimes you get a little bit of glue that's leaked out and I like to blend them in a little bit at the cuticle area as well. And then I'm going to buff off all the shiny surface ready for gel polish. So I'm using Madame Glam's Rosy Nude. That's going to be my base colour. And I'm using Madame Glam's Perfect Pink. So just 2 colours. And I'm using this glitter from HCS called Barbie. Oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty. And I've pulled out these little pink daisies as well. I thought they matched perfectly. So I'm going to put Rosy Nude on the first 3 nails. And Perfect Pink is going to go on my pointer and thumb. I'll just show you this one coat. I'll do the second coat off camera. And they're curing the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I've got a 30% off code for Madame Glam as well, guys. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. Right, so I'm using Madam Glam's base coat on my pointer finger. I'm going to completely cover this in base coat, and I'm not curing the base coat. I'm just going to sprinkle the glitter straight into that wet base coat and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. This glitter is stunning. It's got that bluey purple kind of ultraviolet shift to it that I absolutely love. This has got to be my favourite fine pink for sure. Look at that, guys. Isn't it stunning? I love it. Gorgeous. Right, what I'm going to do on my other nails, I'm using Madam Glam's long fine liner. It's just a detailer brush, but a little bit longer. And I'm going to do a kind of half. I'm using my left hand, guys, so go easy on me. I'm doing like a half a French tip. Yeah, half a French tip. We'll call it that. And I'm going to leave that gel polish wet. And again, I'm going to sprinkle the glitter into that and get them cured for 30 seconds as well.
And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by.
So now that glitter's cured into place, I'm just going to do a little outline in the darker pink going around this half a French tip. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky as well. I'll do that off camera.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop.
So onto my ring finger now. I'm just going to put 3 of these little daisy sequins into this wet base coat. Now these sequins, I can't remember where I got them from. I think they're off AliExpress. They're quite thick, like plasticky. So I'm just rolling it around the tip of. You can use anything that's round, just to get them to lay a little bit flatter. I'm going to cure them in the lamp, and I'm going to give that a couple of layers of top coat, just so I can buff it, encapsulate them, and get it nice and smooth. Right guys, just going to get these top coated now, and that'll be then finished. Oh my gosh, look at that glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. Right guys, that's then finished. I think I might do my thumb in the nude because it looks a bit out of place now, don't it? Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.